Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the chamfer modify tool. It's located here underneath fillet. So if we click chamfer, it says select first line or right click, and then you've got options. We need to select the distance. If we don't select the distance, and sometimes this is handy, these two will join to form a right corner. Now if I had two lines, let's say like this, and I chamfered those two together, it will basically extend them to what we would call the apparent intersection where they would meet. So sometimes that's handy, especially if you have lines that are at different angles and you don't have a precise angle for them. Now, if we undo, go back into the chamfer command, we can either, if you look at the bottom of the screen, we can either undo polyline distance or right-click distance or D for distance, and it's asking up here for a distance of 0.25. So we'll type in 0.25, and now it's asking for a second distance. And so that second distance can be different. In this case, we're going to make it 0.25 as well, which will give us an angle of 45 degrees. Now, if we were to chamfer with a distance of, let's say, 0.25 and 0.5, then it will look like that. Distance of 0.5 and 0.25 will give us a result of that. So the distance entered order matters. So the 0.5 and 0.25. That concludes this tutorial. Fillet will be our last modify tool. Look forward to seeing you then.